All right, everybody, welcome back. You know how sometimes you just got to dive deep into a topic?
Yeah.
Well, today we're tackling AC sizing. And honestly, I'm kind of excited about it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, getting a new AC unit soon, so I need all the info I can get.
Well, perfect timing then, because it's way more important than people think. Like, it's not just about cranking it up to the coldest setting, right?
Exactly. And, I've been doing some reading, trying to understand all the lingo, like this whole residential load calculation thing. Kind of intimidating.
I get that, yeah. It's not exactly something you do on the back of a napkin. Haha. It's actually fascinating, though. Think about it. You're not just cooling the square footage, you're fighting against the heat that's sneaking in.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I guess I never thought about it like that.
So, like, professionals will look at everything. Windows, shade, even which way your house faces. Then your ductwork, insulation.
Mm.
It all adds up to how much cooling power you actually need.
So it's like the whole house energy audit kind of thing.
Basically, yeah,
Whoa, okay, that's way more intense than I thought. But real talk, what if you don't have time for all that right away? Like, is there a way to at least ballpark it myself?
totally. That's where those crazy model numbers come in.
Oh, yeah, those things. They always seem like a secret code.
They kind of are, but once you crack it, it's super helpful. So say you've got a unit, model numbers like GSX140241K.
Random letters and numbers.
Exactly. But see that 24 in there?
Yeah.
That tells us 24,000 BTUs.
Okay, and BTUs are British thermal units, right?
Those measure heat.
You got it. And we often talk about ACs in tons of capacity, where 1 ton equals 12,000 BTUs.
Wait, so 24,000 BTUs divided by 12,000 BTUs per ton. That's a 2-ton unit.
Boom. You're speaking AC.
I feel like I just leveled up. This is great.
And your research even has a cheat sheet for those codes, listing BTUs and their ton equivalent.
Oh, sweet.
But remember, it's a rough guide. A pro calculation is still the most accurate. Gotcha, yeah, for sure. So say I've got my BTUs figured out, or I'm looking at my current system. Wouldn't it just be smarter to go bigger? Like, just to be safe. Handle those crazy hot days.
I know it sounds right, but actually, that's a huge misconception. An oversized AC. It's like a sports car stuck in rush hour. All that power, nowhere to go. It's just going to end up short cycling.
Short cycling. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, it's not good. Basically, the AC turns on and off all the time because it cools the space down way too fast.
I see. So it never really gets a chance to.
Exactly. Imagine slamming on the gas, then hitting the brakes constantly. Not good for the car, wastes fuel, and doesn't get you anywhere smoothly, right?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So a short cycling AC is kind of the same?
Exactly. Struggles with humidity, sucks up energy, and its lifespan takes a major hit.
Yeah.
You're better off with a smaller unit that runs continuously and efficiently. It's about finding that Goldilocks zone, Not too big, not too small.
Man, this is so interesting. I never knew size was such a big deal.
It is. It's about comfort, efficient running, and not getting slammed with huge energy bills.
This has been eye-opening. So we covered BTUs and sizing. Anything else people should think about when they're out there AC shopping?
Oh, definitely. One big one is energy efficiency. It's measured by the SEER rating. Higher SEER means less energy used.
So not only do I need to make sure I get the right size,
Right, but paying attention to SEER ratings can save you some serious cash and is better for the environment.
all right, win-win. I love it.
You got it.
Thanks for all the info. This deep dive has been awesome.
Glad we could help.
Everyone listening, you heard it here. Go forth and conquer the world of AC. And stay cool.